We're at ACC 14 and we're talking about the ZEUS trial, and we're talking with Dr. Marco Valgemilli and MD PhD, the Thora Center in Erasmus Rotterdam. Okay, tell me about the ZEUS study first off.
First of all, thank you so much and for this opportunity. The ZEUS study stands for Zotarolimos Eluting Stent in Uncertain DES Candidates, and we really wanted to test a specific DES type, which is Endeavor Sprint, in a setting in which it has never been tested before, and I should say no single DS has ever tested in that setting before, namely patients who are at high bleeding risk, high risk for thrombosis, or low risk for instantary stenosis, namely a patient population which has been systematically excluded so far from RCTs. A unique feature of our study is that the DPT was supposed to be as short as possible, namely the patient were supposed to follow the DPT they should follow after bare metal stent implantation. And what we have seen is that this Endeavor Sprint was performing more than bare metal stent, and that was expected. That was the reason why we wanted to test that specific DS type. But the big surprise that even safety was in favor of the Endeavor Sprint stent, despite the DPT being extremely short. Average DPT duration was 32 days in our study, and it did not differ in the two stent groups. The take-home message, I think, is for the first time, this unique and high-risk patient population have an alternative treatment with respect to bare metal stent. I don't want to say you should stop implanting bare metal stent in this patient. One single study, even if it's a multi-center and it's a relatively big, cannot and will not drive practice 100%, but at least is injecting for the first time, I think, two new pieces of information for the community. First, it's possible to reduce the DPT down to 30 days, which is the first time we have seen that in the US. Second, this unique patient population and probably have a better choice than bare metal stent because it's more effective as well as safer.
Well, thank you very much. We look forward to more from the ZEUS trial.
Thank you.
And we're going to be talking about a lot more from the ACC meeting, so please check out CardioSource World News, where I'm Executive Editor Rick McGuire.